In this video, we will see how to add a call to action subscribe button on Facebook posts and drive Facebook users to YouTube channel. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates when new content is added. To create a call to action button in a Facebook post, we need to go to the Facebook business account. If you don't have one yet, you need to create it. After logging into your Facebook business account using login details as your profile account, click menu icon on the left hand top corner of the page. Next, from the drop down, click Page Posts option. On this page, we need to click and select the Facebook page on which we intend to create the post, and next click Create Post tab. In the pop-up window, we can set up call to action for the link post and carousel post. But in this video, we will set up call to action for link. Here in the URL field, enter the URL link of the YouTube channel where you can send people to visit and subscribe to your YouTube channel. Next, here enter a brief description for the post. Finally, you can select a call to action from the list of options here. We can add subscribe call to action button to prompt them to click and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click Create Post. Note, the post is yet unpublished. We are only creating and not publishing yet. To view the unpublished post, you need to select the Facebook page on which we created the post and next click Ads tab on the left. Well, you can see here the post we created. Click and select the post and next you can see the full post, and next here click Actions and you can publish or schedule it for a future date. Let's publish the post and see the call to action button in action. Next, let's go to the Facebook page where we published, and here it is. Let's click the call to action to see it in action. And done. Visitors clicking on the subscribe call to action button are taken to my YouTube channel where they can subscribe to my YouTube channel to get video updates and watch them. With this, we come to the end of the tutorial video. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and also subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.